In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel upload on Google Drive. We'll walk through opening Drive, starting an upload, and then stopping it before it finishes, so you know exactly where to look and what to click. I'll also share a few simple tips to make sure you catch the cancel button in time. Start in your web browser on the Google homepage. Look toward the top right corner for the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click that to open the panel of Google services, then choose Drive. This brings you straight into your My Drive view, where you can manage files and folders. To demonstrate how to cancel an upload, we first need to start one. In the Drive interface, click the New button on the left side. A menu will appear. Select File Upload. Your computer's file picker will open so you can choose anything you're comfortable testing with. Select a file from your device and confirm. The moment you do, Drive begins uploading in the background. As soon as the upload starts, shift your attention to the lower right corner of the Drive window. You'll see an upload panel appear with a progress bar and the file name. This is the area you need. Click Cancel in that panel right away. Timing matters. Small files may finish in a second or two, so be ready to click quickly. If the file is larger, you'll have a bit more time, but it's still best to act promptly. When you click Cancel, the progress bar should stop and the upload entry will close. That means Drive has halted the transfer, and the file will not be added to your Drive. If you are uploading more than one file, make sure to click Cancel next to the specific one you want to stop, rather than closing the entire panel. A couple of quick notes to keep you confident. Canceling an upload only stops the transfer to Drive. It does not delete the original file on your computer. If you don't see the cancel option right away, watch for it to appear alongside the progress bar as the panel loads. And if the upload finishes before you can click, at that point it's considered complete, so you'd need to take separate action to remove it. That's it. Open Drive from the Apps grid, start a file upload, and use the Cancel button in the lower right upload panel to stop it in time. With this simple workflow, you can prevent unwanted files from landing in your Google Drive.